अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 27. A vessel in the shape of a cuboid contains some water. If three identical spheres are immersed in the water, the level of water increased by 2 cm. If the area of the base of a cuboid is 160 cm square and the height is 12 cm, what is the radius of the sphere? Now look at this. So there is a cuboidal container. The base area is 160 square centimeter. We have dropped 3 identical spheres, due to which obviously the volume increased. Increase in volume led to increase in the water level by 2 cm. So basically what we can say that the increased volume is actually equal to the volume of the spheres, right? So let's calculate that increased volume. So increased volume is base area multiplied by height. So 160 into 2, that is 320 square centimeter. Okay, and this volume will be equal to the volume of the 3 spheres. So 3 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is volume of the sphere, is equal to 320. So if you simplify, 3 get cancelled, r cube is equal to 320. Okay, pi I have taken 22 by 7. So that will give you r cube equal to 320 into 7 upon 22 into 4. That is 25.45 r cube. And if you take cube root on both the sides, that will give you approximately r is 2.94 centimeter. That's the radius of the sphere.